channel. But you already know the vibes. Your girl Uchechi back and better with another banger. Yeah. As you guys can see, I am obviously super duper mega party pooper hype because I finally slayed and laid this wig and got it just right. So the wig that I will be reviewing today is the Beauty Forever 13x4 highlight straight lace front wig. So I do want to let you guys know that the company did send me this wig, but come on, you guys know I'm super honest in everything that I do. Like, I will never ever put any cap into this video, okay? No cap. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks like directly out of the package. I like it. Sorry, I know my lips is chapped as hell. Chapped as hell. Literally just woke up, but this is how the wig looks just straight out of the package. Like, no plucking, no nothing. I could see it. I could see the vision for it. But I know that it still needs a little bit more extra razzle dazzle, okay? You guys can see the wig has two blonde pieces over here. So I'm thinking about toning the blonde pieces down to make it look a little bit more silver, you know? Like, it's giving me a really like yellowy vibe. Like, it's giving me a really like Barbie yellow vibe. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna tone down these blonde strips over here, and then we're gonna start the entire wig install. Alright, but anyways, this is how the wig looks with the color dyed, and y'all, damn! The color change is BOMB. The color change, wow. This wig is so pretty. I'm like, is my camera lying to me? Wow. Okay, so now that we know that we like the wig, let's start to lay our shit. Okay, so y'all already know how my wig reviews go. We're gonna be breaking down this wig into a couple of different categories, and then I'm going to rate this wig out of 10 on how well it did in that particular category. Seems easy enough, right? Yes, sir. Okay, so the first category, and the main category that probably every single person is concerned about, is gonna be affordability. Now, how well did this hair do in terms of a quaint? And that is so important because we do not want to be out here wasting our hard-earned coin on wigs that are basura. Like, save that for somebody else, okay? Like, if I'm gonna be whipping out my credit or debit card to buy a wig, I'm gonna need that wig to be poppington. I'm gonna need it to be poppington, okay? So this wig was $86.10, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm just gonna rate it a 10. Like, $86.10 for a 14-inch lace frontal wig, and it has the really cute highlights going on, and it's a full 13x4 lace, not that bougie 6x6 closure. Like, I think that's bomb. I rate that a 10 out of 10. I feel like any girl who wants a really nice, super cute bob wig on a budget, this is your girl right here. This is your girl right here. All right, so the next category is gonna be color. How well did this hair react or take the color? Okay, so in terms of color, I'm gonna rate it a 10 because I felt like it took the shimmer lights very, very well. But y'all, understand that I have not bleached this hair. Like, understand that I have not bleached it, I have not added developer to it or anything. All I did was kind of just tone out the blonde that the wig already came with. So in terms of toning, I felt like the hair really responded well to toning. I also did not bleach the knots because they came pre-bleached. So yeah, like, bleach didn't really touch this hair. So just take into account that when I rated a 10 in terms of color, I'm just talking about that little piece, that little thing right here. That's it. That's it. So yeah, so 10. Alright, so our next category is gonna be tangling and shedding. Do I feel as though this hair really tangled on me? Do I feel like it really shed a lot on me? Okay, so in terms of tangling, the hair didn't really tangle like that, but in terms of shedding, I feel like I did get some shedding. You know, like a little bit of shedding here and there, nothing too crazy, because once again, this is a straight wig, so I find that straight hair kind of sheds a little bit less than curly hair, but I definitely did get a little bit of shedding with this wig, okay? Let's keep in mind though, y'all, this wig cost less than $100. Like, some of the sneakers in y'all closet cost more than this wig, okay? Some outfits you guys own cost more than this wig. Some food you guys buy cost more than this wig, okay? So I feel like my expectations wasn't so high. Like, I wasn't expecting like
no shedding, no tangling, Kendra's Boutique, Vogue hair.
Like, I wasn't expecting all of that, you know? Like, I knew this was an Amazon wig. Like, I know this is a more affordable, budget-friendly wig, you know? So in terms of the shedding, for the price that I paid, I feel like it wasn't that bad. It was definitely manageable, and honestly, it wasn't too noticeable, the shedding. So in terms of shedding and tangling, with this wig, I'm going to rate it an 8. I feel like it did shed a little bit. It didn't really tangle, but I feel like it is manageable. It is doable. Alright, so the next category is gonna be length. Was this wig true to length? I purchased it as what, a 14-inch? Let me just double check before I'm like out here like letting y'all know all types of things. Alright, so I believe I got this wig in 12 inches. I did cut it just like a tad bit, but I feel as though this wig was definitely true to length. It gave me like a really nice bob look, bob length from jump, you know? Like, so I felt like I definitely got what I expected. Nothing more, nothing less, which is perfect. I feel like the length was amazing. I mean, look at it. Like, it's like the perfect bob cut. And y'all, I didn't even need to cut it. All I needed to do was just bump the ends and it just went right into a bob, and I love that. Literally the perfect length. Heat. Now that is, wow, I actually can't wait to answer this question. How well does this hair take to heat? Y'all, when I tell you I really went in with the heat with this hair, like, I don't really think y'all understand. Like, this was really my first lace frontal. Like, I don't know how to do lace frontals. Like, I restarted, re-washed, re-flat ironed, re-curled, redid everything to this wig over and over again before I even wore it out. Like, y'all, I really went in with the flat iron on this wig, trying to get it to look cute. Like, I did a lot. So I feel like in terms of flat ironing, the hair stuff, as you can see, it takes to flat ironing very well. But the thing that I did notice is you can't keep going over the hair with the flat iron. I mean, well, that's with any wig, but I just wanted to let y'all know, like, you can't keep going over the hair with a flat iron and expect it to keep taking the flat iron the same way. So yeah, I ran into that a little bit, but I do feel like overall, like, this wig is bomb in terms of heat, bomb in terms of curls. Like, it really takes heat very well, and it really took the curling iron like love. So in terms of heat application, I'm gonna rate this hair honestly a 9. I feel like it did a really good job. Like, yo, look at my hair. My hair is so nice and bumped, nice little curl, nice everything, nice everything. Everything is nice.
Everything is nice.
Yeah, so yeah. So y'all, my 100% honest answer on if I would repurchase this hair is, drum roll, yes, I would. I would 100% repurchase this hair. This hair is BOMB. Bomb. And if you're a beginner like me, like someone who's not, you know, we don't really do too much with lace frontals, like this is our first install, you want to go cheap. You want to go cheap so that you can experiment. If you cut the lace wrong, if you like glue it weird, you want to do all of that on a cheap lace wig. Like I feel like this wig is affordable, it's friendly, and it's an amazing beginner's wig. You know, like you don't want to have your first lace frontal be like a yummy, because like you don't know too much about lace frontals, and if you mess up, you're gonna be so freaking tight that you spent like $600 on a wig and you don't even know how to style it. So yeah, this wig literally is amazing. It's every beginner's dream wig. It's cheap, it's cute, it got a little bit of color to make you look like a little baddie or whatever, and it's popping. Like what more can you ask for?